Alright, so I'm just going to clean up this brake disc a little bit. It was pretty oogly. I've cleaned it up a little bit. I'm just using a wire wheel on the end of my drill here. It's a little bit better if you get something with some speed to it. Let me swap this end out here. Put this brass brush on here. See if this will do a little better job here. Looks a lot better. This thing was covered before. A couple of minutes of cleaning it, looks a hell of a lot better. And that's the back side of the disc, so it's not like you're really going to see it, but I'll know it's there. So this is the outside here. The battery's getting a little weak there, but you get the idea there. Now, if you wanted to really highly polish this, I'm just using the ultra fine Scotch-Brite, and I'm not really worried about polishing it right now. If you wanted to paint it, just tape up your disc surface there and go around the entire thing. You know, tape off in or put washers in there before you paint. And you can paint the inside of this, you know, flat black, gloss black, satin black, pink, red, blue, whatever you want to do. High temp paint preferably, or not preferably, you want to use high temp paint. Now on these disc bolts, when you put rotor bolts, when you put those in, you want to use Loctite, red Loctite, not blue, red. These bolts came with, I picked these up from Harley today. They owed me money back on something, so I had to get some hardware that I lost or was missing or wanted to replace. So these already have a Loctite patch on them. I've already cleaned these out, 3/8 16 thread chaser or tap. I use thread chaser, and you want to blow them out with air. If you spray them out with brake parts cleaner, be sure you take some compressed air and blow it out, because you don't want to hydro lock the screws there. So I'll tell you what, that's good enough for me. Let's go ahead and put this thing on here. Flip the camera around so you can see it. I'm no cinematographer, that's for damn sure. You want to make sure your gasket mate, your brake disc mating surface is clean where the rotor goes on there. No dirt, no dust, no nothing. Well, it sure looks better than it did before. These bolts, the old bolts, were absolutely cruddy. You can clean them. I've done it before. If you got some bolts, yeah, that they owed me money back on some stuff, so I just got new ones, which you probably want to do anyway. So bring them down in the star pattern, just crisscrossing. I'm just going to snug them right now. I think the new bolts by themselves just look good. Okay, let me go grab the torque wrench. It's right here already. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and torque these up. Damn it. 35 foot-pounds. I'll draw them up a little bit first. Okay, that's that. Now don't get confused with the front and the rear. The fronts are 5/16 18 bolt, so they're smaller. And most you want to torque those to is about 22, 24 pounds. These rear ones, I torque them at 35. So that's good to go. Now I'll do the sprocket bolts here in a little bit. I'm going to clean up the pulley first though, so that's it for the rear rotor bolts. And that's probably it for tonight. It's already getting late here and it's Saturday night, so anyway, you guys take care. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. If you have any requests, if you have any ideas on somebody commented about my filming isn't that great, cinematography, so I'll be working on that a little bit better. Sometimes you get busy working, you forget you're filming something, so, and you're used to doing something at a certain speed without having to stop and worry about if somebody's looking at it. So anyway, have a great weekend. All you mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. Guys, girls, don't forget your mothers. They done a lot for you. Love your mother. Take care.